Are you struggling to make your paycheck last the whole month? You're not alone. In 2025, with rising costs in the US, budgeting has become more important than ever. The good news is small changes in how you manage money can save you hundreds every month. Here are 10 budgeting hacks Americans swear by in 2025. 1. The 50-30-20 rule. Divide your income into 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings or debt payoff. This keeps your spending balanced and manageable. 2. Pay yourself. First, set up automatic transfers to savings right after payday. Even $50 per check adds up fast. 3. Use cash envelopes for trouble categories, groceries, eating out, or shopping. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending. 4. Meal planning. Americans spend over $600 a month on food. Planning weekly meals and sticking to a grocery list can cut that bill by $200 or more. 5. Track every dollar. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or Every Dollar let you see exactly where your money goes. Awareness is the first step to control. 6. Cancel subscriptions. You don't use streaming apps, gym memberships, check your bank statements. Most households can free up $50, $100 a month this way. 7. Buy generic, not name brands. Switching to store brands at Target, Walmart, or Kroger can save 20-30% on groceries and household items. 8. Negotiate bills. Internet, phone, even insurance companies will often lower your bill if you just ask. Many Americans save $20, $50 monthly this way. 9. Set no-spend days. Challenge yourself to pick 1-2 days a week where you don't spend a single dollar. It builds discipline and keeps impulse purchases down. 10. Review. Reset monthly. At the end of each month, review your budget. See what worked, what didn't, and adjust. Small tweaks make a huge difference over time. Budgeting doesn't mean you have to live without fun. It's about being intentional with your money so you can spend on what really matters. Which budgeting hack are you going to try? First, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DollarHive, and hit the bell icon for more money-saving tips made for Americans.